Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 22nd, 2021. This is going to be a Binance coin prediction. Got a huge update that we want to let everyone know and show you what comes next in the price movement for Binance. So if today's the first time ever seen our videos and our content, make sure if you appreciate it that before you leave, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You do not want to miss out on our videos, price predictions within the cryptocurrency space, because we make this easy. We make this simple. This is not complicated. You don't have to be a massive technical indicator followers to understand where price is going to go. You don't have to even think about using technical indicators when you look at the cryptocurrency market. All you have to do is look at the price, where price has gone, and the volume to try to get an understanding of what the market feels. That's it. And we've been showing you all that on this particular channel since like 2017. We got a whole plethora of videos of all different cryptocurrencies, all coins, about our price predictions that you can literally go back and follow and certify that we understand what we're doing when it comes to looking at price predictions. So make sure you do all that before you head out. Now, let me tell you all our last price prediction in Binance. This is one of the best things about predicting the market, is that you can always come back and see what price has done in relation to your previous thoughts, to your previous forecasts, and look at it all the way back here, right? July the 17th or July the 16th, 2021, we did a price prediction in Binance. And we told you all to be prepared for the market in Binance to do what? What did we say? For the price to go down. Look at it. We told you all during that time period to be prepared for Binance to go down, and it did. And it barely came to our ultimate TP price. Look at that there. Let me zoom in. I want to show you all that. Look at that. We told you that the market support is going to come in around $250 in Binance. And what do you know? On July the 20th, 2021, the market came all the way down to $254.50. Boom, right there. We wasn't being extremely bearish into the market in Binance. We wasn't expecting the market to plummet. We wasn't expecting the market to crash down to $100. No, because we already understood that the support area previously from the price chart was already confirmed, and it's right there around 250. So we were pretty close. And from that time, July the 20th, 2021, look at what Binance has been on. It's been on a tear. The market has been ripping up higher and higher in price. Simple. This is how you're able to get off the ship right before the market changes the course and go up. Right there. Simple. So from July the 16th to the 20th, 4 days was our opportunity for us to eat off this play of about 18%. 18%. Simple. So let me go ahead and get rid of that, because now I want to talk about, okay, what comes next, right? We've seen the price in Binance since July the 20th continue to give us a massive run higher in price. So now let me clean up this chart, because I don't want to confuse anyone in regards to how busy the chart looks, right? So I'm gonna take this line up here and I'm going to move it up here towards $520, because you guys can tell I don't have to persuade you as to what's going on into the market. Look at Binance market right here. It's already telling us where the problems and the issues are at right here. Okay, we got rejected here in Binance 2 times, right? So we need to follow that, because today's video, we need to try to make the answer and determine if Binance is going to be able to break this line higher. We need to figure that out, because if so, we can continue to expect the market in Binance to go up. No issues, no qualms. We can actually see what is the likelihood of seeing Binance break $520 to the upside. I mean, when you want to know that, because if the probability of Binance not moving up $520 above that number, when you want to take the bag, when you want to take the profit right now. So let's see. Let's check out the market in Binance on a different time frame then. Let's see what's going on in the market in Binance on a 3-day. So let's check out the market in Binance on a 3-day time frame. So look at this. All right, so this is the 3-day, and the last completed 3-day price bar, which is right here. Okay, you guys can see that it is indicative that the market is not ready to break $500 to the upside. Not yet. right? Because we wouldn't have seen the market in Binance over the last 3 days close lower towards the low of the bar. Now, look at these other 3-day price bars right here. All of these 3-day price bars right here is telling us that this market is trying to break above 500. It is trying to go up in price. And we're seeing that right now in this current 3-day price bar. Like, the market is trying to go up, period. I don't care what anyone is trying to tell me. The market is clearly trying to move high in price when you look at these price bars. So who are we to say that the market's not trying to go up? It is showing us off of the 3-day time frame that, yeah, the market is trying to go up. So it looked like it's trying to build that momentum to break 500 though, to the upside. And then the next hurdle is going to be 520. So we're not even that far from us seeing the next issue or the next problem that will hang up Binance's price of going up. Okay. So the 3-day time frame looks pretty good in Binance as well. Just the 5-day. You can kind of tell that the market in Binance is getting tired, right? It looks like it's wearing itself out or trying to go up in price. And that's something that we don't want to see. We want to see the market healthy. We want to see it strong. We want to see it to the point to where it is nothing in its way. It's just bulldozing its way to higher prices. And it's kind of looking a little weak on the 5-day time frame. Yes, it is. Weekly time frame. Right here. Right? The last, 2 to 3 weeks, the price in Binance is still showing that it wants to go up. So I'm still looking for the price in Binance to give us some strength, some movement up higher in price. We've already identified that $520 is the next hurdle for us to break. And so far, can we see it happen? Yeah, we can. We can see the market in Binance break above $520. But as always, we want to make sure we skim off some profitability right there at $520, because we at least want to say, well, we at least got the 520 right before the price went down. At least I got this small percentage out of the market before it did. This is how we play here on this channel, right? We're not here to be overly greedy. We're here to simply give us what the market wants to give us, and then we move on to the next play. We're not here to wish and hope and pray that the market's going to go to where we expected it to go. No, we'll take a little small piece of profitability out the market in Binance and be happy with that, right? So we're looking for the market in Binance to go up, right? This is it. Okay, right there. $520, $518 gives us around 5.5%. We'll live with that, right? Because we already know that this area is plaguing Binance. So we'll take 5.5%, right? We'll do it. Now, this has to be maintained as support though, okay? Let me lower this down right there. It's around $425. It has to be maintained as support. If we break $425 to the downside, I'm here to tell you that the likelihood of us breaking 520 and going higher is less and less likely that it's not going to happen, or it's going to take longer for Binance to do that. So now let me go ahead and bring this up to around 560 as the next spot, the next biggest area for us to see the sellers, right? So we got 520 first for us to see the sellers, which we would come in and take the profitability out the market there, 5.5%, take a little bit there. Then the second area is around 560, okay? So we're in position, right? This is my current prediction as to where I'm looking for the price in Binance to go. Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment right now in the comment section and tell me what is your price prediction. Seriously, let me know, where are you expecting the market in Binance to go in the next 3 weeks, so that we all can see your thoughts, so we all can read what your expectations are, because this is the only way that you can actually get a competitive advantage in the cryptocurrency space, is that you got to be a predictor. It's just that simple. You got to get a price target. Now, there's 2 ways for you to exit out positions in the cryptocurrency space or even in the stock market. Is either you got to have a time preference, or you got to have a price target. Those are the 2 areas that you can time out to when you're going to exit your position, right? From our perspective, we usually do price targets, because from a time preference, if you're going to actually hold yourself to a time preference saying in the next year I'm going to exit out my position in Binance, right? Then the market price can be a lot lower than where we are at right now. And most time in human nature, if the price in Binance is lower a year from now, you're not going to exit out the position, right? But once you see the market hit your target on a price chart, you're more likely to take and exit the position because you're satisfied with the profitability that was garnered from your prediction. But it's hard to do that from a time preference standpoint, right? So hit me up. Let me know your price prediction in the market at Binance. Everyone, if you haven't had the opportunity to join the team, make sure you do that as well before you head out, because we don't make this complicated. We don't hype you up. We don't give you no FUD, no FOMO. We simply look at the price because it already tells us everything we need to know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.